What says California in a new year more than lemon water and avocado? Basic. New year, same hoe.
Flashback.
Jason, are you proud of me? Another day, no cocktail.
End of flashback.
Not a cocktail.
We didn't say that, no, but it looks an awful lot like that, doesn't it?
Jason just asked me if I had pneumonia or something, if I was okay, because I said, no, it's not a cocktail, for real, try it. We're gonna do the ultimate breakfast in bed with the best smashed potatoes you've ever had in your life. I'm gonna show you how to make that. I made some yesterday, because that was the last day I was gonna try to have a carb during the week. And I know, we're all on our own journey, right? 2021 is, you're looking at the news today, turn it off. So, all right, Jason, we're gonna get started. And I need to boil the potatoes. So we're gonna let that do that. There's salt in there, we're gonna cover it. And that's it.
It's not in New York.
And you would add your salt, your pepper, and then I do a teaspoon crushed red pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of rosemary, and a teaspoon of thyme. 3 tablespoons of olive oil go in there, along with your seasonings. Everything's to taste. Put that all in there, you mix it up with your gloves, you make love to it.
That's the sound effect of making love?
Yeah. Mice, squirrels, giraffes maybe, a hippopotamus. So, all right, so you preheat your oven to 425. Mine already is, because I made some bacon earlier. Now, a sheet pan, a baking sheet with some parchment paper. All right, there we go. Roll them out. A knife that we got from Chef John for Christmas. It's a fabulous knife. Because these ones are big, these little gold potatoes, and the thinner you get these, the crispier they will come out, and you smash them. You smush. There you go. Oh, ain't nothing but a G thing. Now we're gonna put in the oven, 425 degrees for 30 minutes, or to your liking. 30 minutes is basic, a little longer, we can make them very crispy. This is where I add a little extra rosemary. And, not for nothing, garlic powder. The only thing is, if you have guests coming over, you don't do this part, because all the seasoning gets black on the parchment paper and it comes out and you're like, excuse me? Now we're gonna make the ultimate breakfast quesadilla. You can make it any way you want. I don't even know if whatever it is, it's like a quesadilla. But you can name it if you want, drop the comment below. So you need your avocado. Who said I can't play sports? Who? You see that catch? So, focus. So in the avocado, I'm gonna add a little chopped red onion that I already did. I like red onion. If you don't
use it.
Half of a jalapeno chopped. Smush, smush. Very nice. Cilantro. Okay, so we have that part of it. I gotta make my egg.
That's a good scrambled egg. That's really nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it. What's your girlfriend's name, Jason? Take notes, Miss Thing. Okay. I'm gonna cut halfway down your tortilla. Put that there. Now, I'm gonna add a little cheese moment. And in the cheese moment, we're gonna do our bacon. There we go. One for me. Tomato. Fold it over one time. Then you fold it over again. There you go. Looks like that. This is like all your layers. Tomato, all that good stuff. Place it in your hot skillet. So I'm a little anal when it comes to like how it looks. Gorgeous, the way that is. And obviously we're not done yet because we still have to get the potatoes. So I would like to say that I did something like juiced my own peppers, but I didn't. Taco Bell hot sauce. Oh, it's the perfect amount of crisp. See what I meant about earlier if you're having guests over, how the seasoning gets dark. So my theme for this was breakfast in bed. This is, if you were Josh Flagg and you were married to me, I'd be coming up to the room with it like this. Bam. Bam! All right, before I take this up to Josh, I should probably taste it. You know, quality control. My little Dunkaroo. Oh my God, it's really, really good. Ooh, our guacamole, Jason's really good. That, I don't wanna over dramatize it. People start throwing me shade. This is amazing. This is what you should make this weekend. Make it this weekend. Make it tomorrow. I mean, we're all in quarantine, right? Now, hear the crunch. Salty, garlicky. It's so good. All right, and well, oh my God. Okay, put it down. Put it down. All right, success for 2021 for sure. This is the breakfast of champions. You should make it the 4-layer crunch wrap or the 4-layer breakfast quesadilla. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it Bob's Big Boy or your daddy. You can name it whatever you want, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video and you're all safe and healthy in this new year. Let's just all proceed through it very quietly. Don't say anything, don't break anything, don't make any sudden movements, just boop, laser focused. But if you did enjoy yourself and you're healthy enough to hit that like button, please do it. Comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you get the notifications when the next video comes out, and see how crazier I get with not drinking, but still making delicious food for my family and yours. All right, Jason. I missed you, Jason. I missed all of you. I love you mucho. This is going to Josh. I'm gonna show him love. What a good husband I am. Goodbye.